Well, hi friends, it's Miss Heather here and welcome back to Feathernest Cottage. Today we are going to be bread making. I love to make bread, and I especially love to make gluten-free bread because I am gluten-free. But for my family, I like to make regular bread. So today we're going to learn how to make regular bread and gluten-free bread. We're going to use a bread machine, and we're also going to do some kneading by hand, which is super fun. So roll up those sleeves and get ready to learn something from long ago.
Well, welcome friends to where bread is made. This is a very special bakery indeed. Welcome to the Gluten-free Bakery in Schuylerville, New York. This bakery is like any other wonderful bakery, but what makes it so special is everything here is made without gluten. And for those people whose bellies can't have dairy, they also make many breads and treats that are dairy-free. Grains are wonderful foods, and they are very healthy. Gluten is the outer part on many grain plants. You have heard of wheat, barley, or oats before, right? Those are grains. They're plants that grow in fields. We mainly use the grain wheat to make our breads. However, each of these grains has the extra coating on it called gluten. Some people get sick when they eat this coating. So this bakery only uses grains that have had the coatings removed or don't have the coatings at all. Grains that don't have gluten would be like rice, quinoa. But I'm getting ahead of myself, friends. All you really need to know is that this bakery knows what is safe and what is not for those who can not have gluten. Even if you can have gluten, gluten-free grains are wonderful for you, and so is gluten-free bread or treats. In fact, humans eat a lot of grains, and it is always a good idea to eat a variety of grains. This is called rotation. We rotate things all the time, like socks we wear, the toys we play with, or the songs we sing. Variety means we don't wear the same socks every day or play with the same toy every day. We mix it up. Variety is the spice of life. It's the same with grains we eat. We should mix them up too. These breads and treats are very tasty and delicious. This is what makes this bakery so special. Do you want to learn to make bread from the wheat plant and from the gluten-free flour? I am excited to show you how. I have included the recipes below and a list of ingredients you will need so you can make your own. Well, friends, we are going to learn how to make bread to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. First you add the yeast to warmth, so the yeast will rise your bread. Wait 5 minutes for the yeast to catch up while we color treats. You can design your own treats with some paper and colors, friends. You can make your own bakery scene too if you want. While you wait for the yeast to settle, it takes about 5 minutes. If you want to send me your picture, you can ask your mom or dad if they can help email it to me at the email address in the description below. Slow and steady wins the race. Slowly stir the flour in. Use your hands to knead the dough. You are making bread, you know. Life is good with good things to eat, whether it's bread or treats. Following a recipe to make bread in your bread machine is a little different, but just as fun. You may not need to knead the dough because the machine does it for you. But you will have to knead the dough irregardless if you are making handmade bread. If you're making it with gluten grains, you will need to knead the dough for quite a while, 8 minutes to 12 minutes long. But if you are making it with gluten-free grains, you won't really need to knead it much at all, maybe 4 to 5 minutes. Either way, whatever kind of bread you make, friends, I hope it's delicious and serves your family well. Nutrition is very important for all of us, whether we're adults or kids.
Well, thanks for coming to join me today. I am so excited that you have this delicious bread, and now you have learned how to make bread and you can make it anytime you want. And remember, friends, live what you love and love what you live, because you're amazing. Yes, you. You. Just the way you are. Bye, friends. See you next time.